A compare and contrast paragraph examines two subjects by looking at both their similarities and their differences. It helps readers understand how ideas relate to each other and where they diverge. This type of paragraph is common in essays, lessons, and informational writing because it organizes analysis clearly and logically. There are two main ways to organize a compare and contrast paragraph. The first is point-by-point organization. In this method, the writer compares one feature of both subjects at a time. For example, if comparing two cities, the paragraph might discuss climate, transportation, and culture in the same order for both cities. This structure is especially effective when the subjects have several important features that can be matched directly. The second method is block-by-block organization. In this method, the writer first discusses all the important features of subject A and then discusses all the important features of subject B. After that, the writer may briefly explain the similarities and differences. This structure works well when the subjects are larger or more complex, and when each subject needs a fuller explanation before comparison. Both structures can be effective, but the best choice depends on the purpose of the writing and the amount of information available. Point-by-point organization often feels more balanced and easier to follow because each feature is compared right away. Block-by-block organization can be simpler to plan and useful when the writer wants to describe each subject in depth before making the comparison. A strong compare and contrast paragraph should include a clear topic sentence, specific details, and smooth transitions such as similarly, however, in contrast, and both. These transitions guide the reader through the comparison and make the relationships between ideas easy to see. With clear organization and careful choice of details, the paragraph becomes a useful tool for analysis and explanation.